Hello, we are discussing about GATE 1988 ECE paper, and this question is related to digital circuits. The circuit given below is a JK flip-flop, Johnson counter, RS latch, or none of the above, which is going to be the right answer. Okay, so if you are going to observe, let us assume A and B are going to be the inputs. At that time, what you are going to be getting at Q, that we will find. Okay, so let us assume this is going to be, first you are applying 0 0. Whenever you are applying 0 0, by that time 0 0 is nothing but it is acting as inverter. This is, let us assume 1 2. 1 2 gates are going to be act as inverter, so that you will get, if it is 0 0, you will get 1 1 over here, 1 1 over here. Whenever it is 1 1, at that time the previous values are going to be held. If previously you are getting q bar, 1 into q bar is q bar, whole bar is nothing but q. Again this q comes over here, 1 into q is q, q bar you are going to get. So it will be treated as same state you will get, that is nothing but hold state. For 0 0 it is acting as hold state, and if it is going to be 0 1, what happens? If a is equal to 0, b is equal to 1. Okay, a is equal to 0, a is equal to 0 and b is equal to 1. So 0 bar is nothing but you will get 1 over here, and 1 bar is nothing but 0. We know for a NAND gate, if one of the input is 0, output will be definitely 1. So this 0 makes, this is third and fourth, for example, this is fourth NAND gate is having 0 input. So this 0 makes the output of this fourth NAND gate is going to be always 1. Q bar is equal to 1, and now you will get 1 over here. 1 into 1 is 1, 1 bar is nothing but 0. So this will be making a is equal to 0, b is equal to 0 is making q is equal to 0. Irrespective of present state, it will become 0. That implies nothing but reset state. If it is a1 b0, a1 b0 implies nothing but, okay, so a is equal to 1, b is equal to 0. By that time you will get the say opposite situation. If it is 1 0, at that time this 1 will make over here 0, and this over here you are getting 1. So this 0 makes q2 change it to 1. That 1 will come over here, 1 into 1 it will become 0. So irrespective of present state, okay, irrespective of present state, output will be going into the 1 state, that is nothing but set state. And 1 1 combination is going to be not allowed, because if you are applying 1 1 combination, at that time output of 1 and 2 inverters both will be zeros, both will be zeros, and both q and q bar has to be 1 1. So q and q bar will become 1, but that is not the property of flip flop. Okay, flip flop outputs must be complement of each other, so that this is not allowed. So this is not allowed. So this will be treated as a is nothing but s, okay, and b is nothing but r. It is SR latch or RS latch. So the answer for this question is nothing but C. It is C is the answer. This function is going to be, this circuit is act as RS latch. Okay.